Hello, and welcome to the Studio 300 Bokeh Light Filter class tutorial. Today we'll be learning how to make a filter to use on any size lens that creates shapes within the bokeh lights of your image. This filter is perfect to use while shooting Christmas light shows or any other creative lights display. So let's get started with what you'll need. Here are the materials that you will need to complete this project. Construction paper, scissors, an X-Acto knife, a pen or a pencil, tape or a rubber band, and a camera lens. First, go ahead and take your construction paper and your lens and trace your lens diameter into the center of the construction paper. Next, you're going to draw another circle around the first circle, leaving about a 2-inch radius in between. This does not have to be perfect. Go ahead and cut out that circle. And with your scissors, you are going to start cutting towards the center circle, stopping at the edge, and continue all the way around, leaving about 1 inch or 1.5 inches in between each cut. Next, you're going to draw the shape in the center. This shape should be about 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch size, and it can be anything you want. I decided to draw a Christmas tree for this example. Next, carefully take your X-Acto knife and cut out the center shape. Now we are going to secure it to your lens. Place the paper right on top and center your shape on your lens. Next, you're going to fold the paper over the lens. The slits that we made should help it lay flat. With tape or a rubber band, go ahead and secure the paper to your lens. Once you are done securing the paper, it should look something like this. Now go ahead and attach your lens to your DSLR camera and begin shooting. When using your DIY bokeh filter with your DSLR camera, remember to have the lights be out of focus in camera for the shapes to come through. These are the final images that I came up with when shooting. Always remember to play around with your composition and have fun editing. Thank you for taking the time to watch through this tutorial. I hope you learned a new trick and enjoy your new DIY bokeh filter for the holiday season.